let Chris, yeah, I told you, I'm senior, I don't do that stuff any longer. So the question is, how does it work when we append the red pill at the end of the file that is actually downloaded?
So in short, it's done through PE injection. I don't know if you know this. If I have to explain it, then I guess I have to use this board, if that's okay. Well, I can do it easily right here. If you come a bit closer, you can see it.
Remember that the guy is an engineer, so. It was a good command. I'm not an engineer, I'm a computer scientist, that's the problem.
So if you have the binary of the X, I guess we call it PE. Somewhere in the, somewhere in the PE, this original entry point is listed. And what we do is we, in the PE, replace the original entry point with our entry point. Here we have kind of, this is not working. So our loader stub is here, which is written in assembly, is completely relocatable, so it doesn't depend on where it is. Then we point the entry point here to our entry point, so let's say new entry point. And here we append our DLL.
So that's why, for instance, you basically broke totally the CRC.
Yeah. So we append a DLL because we don't want to write or complete analysis in relocatable code. That would be very annoying. So just this loader stub is relocatable. What it does is takes this part. It knows exactly where it is because here it's written start probe or something. And here's end probe. So between these offsets, it's taking this binary data, putting it in a file, and then basically calling load library, which will execute our probe DLL. And then when the malware analysis engine says, okay, this is clean, so resume execution, it's just going to execute that original entry point again.
So only if it's clean, you
Yeah.
go back to the...
Exactly.
It's like, you're like much like a virus.
Yes.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, we are a virus.
But you have to fight them. It's fight fire with fire, right?
Exactly.
That's another way to circumvent it. Like the downloader knows the heuristic places where the entry point normally lies. Because that's, if you are normally, let's say, normal P file, normally lie about 1,000 hex after the section, first section. So you can always, after you download, replace it back and then launch. So you
That's true. But actually, it's not always 1,000 behind the.
No, if you use if you compile it in Visual Studio, normally that's the range. You get that as an entry point.
Yeah, but then you can still say that we fall back by using the. We just ship the red pill.
Yeah.
And then the red pill will take care of taking again the original file in case it's clean and do its job. So, yeah. In a
So
gray
this is-
area, but we can still make it.
But this is basically only handy if the spore has some kind of relation with the downloaded egg. So it's maybe sharing a pipe or something. Then in this case, this relationship is still maintained. If we would send our own standalone exe, there would be no relationship anymore. So that's why we also opted for this solution in some cases.
In my opinion, we would really like to see is that, okay, we gave away the idea, and somebody comes and say, well, here is the way to make it work really in the real world. It would be nice. So that's why we hope that we have feedback on the way it works, because we would like to have more ideas to include more counter techniques.
Yeah, especially also on the remote DLL injection. If you have any ideas how to detect that post-mortem, then please talk to us.
I'm sorry.
No.
Because I'm more familiar with P as well. How many times in this type of mode that failure points in terms of P it attaching itself to the code. Because like sometimes most Ps are a little bit compacted. So when you do add the code, it kind of destroys all the file alignment and section alignment. But when you execute, actually it goes haywire.
But we are at the end, so we basically actually appending. So
Yeah, but you still need to rearrange all the. For example, you attach yourself in the resource section, right? Then you have to rearrange the resource section, and then if you add an even or add number of bytes there, you have to rearrange the file alignment or the section alignment. If you don't do that, you're gonna go screw up. When you jump in, actually, Windows will detect that this is an executable and probably fail.
I think you should see our code and how we add this code section.
Okay.
Because I don't think we have to do any realignment, or
You
at least
don't-
I didn't do it and it still works. So
Okay, so you probably
Maybe we were lucky. Maybe we just got lucky.
Yeah, because some packers some of the files, let's say the alignments are 100 only,
yeah,
and if you extend it a little bit more, the line should be, the valid alignment should be 1,000. But if those things are not correct, then the code won't be loaded. And of course, it will constitute an error message that says this is not valid.
I think maybe we never ran into this. So it's yeah. So I'm not saying it's not happening or you're wrong. It's just yeah. Maybe we haven't seen it. Yes. So far with all the samples that we had, it always worked and.
but we will have the source online, so you can have a look how we do it and comment on it.
There was yeah. It was first.
In the cases where you see that it's trying to download a DLL, and you go ahead and replace, just put in your red fill as the DLL and don't go append to it. At what point do you get execution there? When they load the library?
Yeah, exactly.
Just your DLL and every routine just takes over.
Yes.
I can catch up.
Okay. So yeah, I think we can conclude because there are only some survivors left. So I hope you will enjoy the pool now. Now I hope I see you there. Thanks.